welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. My husband is mowing the lawn outside, so that's fun. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the Cozytober edit. Now, as you're watching this, it's probably November, so just imagine that the burr of Cozytober is November, and it'll be fine. We have coffee! It is like 11 o'clock as I'm filming this on a Saturday, and it's my first coffee of the day. Cheers! These cups are from Walmart. Aren't they cute? It's my husband mowing. Do you want to see? There he goes. Look at those lines. But also, look at our pretty fall trees. Anyway, so sorry for the noise. It's just gonna be there. Okay, we have our trusty rusty screwdriver. There she is. And we have the box. Okay, here we go. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Jam, jam, jam. It's fine. Cozytober edit. It's a style edit. They had like an active, I got it. They have an active Cozytober one too. I think they had like a sleep lounge one too. But I wanted to do this style one, so here we go. If you haven't tried Wantable before, ooh, she looks cozy. Now my dog's barking. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below. That would give me credit towards my future boxes. So if you use it, I really appreciate it. It helps me do more boxes. But here we go. Here's our bundle. Let's see which side. Oh yeah, that's the nice side. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, she's really soft. She's really, really soft. Look at her. Let's open her up. I don't know why I'm like that today. It's fine. Here we go. The style Cozytober edit. November. Hi Rachel. Yay you. Cozytober is the best time of year, and I'm so glad you decided to treat yourself to this limited time style edit. I was happy to include a handful of pieces that you loved on the stream, which are listed with coral hearts. Hope you love the 7 pieces I've chosen for you, from cozy textures to on-trend hues. I have a feeling you'll want to wear them on repeat. Lawnmower. Now that your edit has arrived, you get 5 days to try everything on. Your $20 styling fee is credited towards what you keep. If you keep 5 or more things, you get 20% off. Enjoy, Andrea, stylist. I always have a different stylist, every single time. Yep, so they had the style Cozytober, the active Cozytober, and the sleep and body Cozytober. They have the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. Ooh, some jewelry. Let's start there. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, those are sweet. Little sweet things. So, I always say if there's nothing you like, you can keep the jewelry, but this seems to be broken? Or it's just bent. Anyway, they're little huggies. So those little huggies, kind of textured. But the back is like just kind of dangling there, and I think it's just because it got a little bent, so it just needs to go out a little bit. There's my dog. Well, hold please. Okay, I bent it back so that it closes now. Sometimes those just get bent down, you know, and they don't close right. But those are cute. So if all else fails, you got that to fall back on. But they're probably like $30, I'd imagine. I usually won't put the stuff in my ears unless I know I'm gonna keep it. And when I do try them on, I do like put them in alcohol first, like the prongs, you know, because you don't want ear crud. Next we have a shirt by Democracy. Ooh, she's got little rouging on the sleeve there. That's cute, and a nice kind of cranberry color. That's pretty. Just kind of like a nice basic 3/4 length kind of tee with a little rouging detail. That's nice. This is the soft one. Oh my God. I cannot emphasize enough how soft this is. This feels like a blanket. And she's a sweater that has a little hood. I usually don't do hoods, but this is really, really soft and cozy. Oh my gosh. She's got balloon sleeves. She has balloon sleeves. People, we have balloon sleeves. This is so soft, so stretchy. Holy wow. Okay, next we have a black shirt. Oh, she kind of crisscrosses. Surplacey in the top and then like banded on the bottom. And then the sleeves have like a little banding right there too. She's pretty. She could be like for a date night. I feel weird today. Anybody else? Maybe it's the lawn mowing. I don't know. Maybe it's because I just haven't had enough coffee yet. Hooray! Next we have, oh, it's very true. Drinks well with others. I do. I do drink well with others. So that's kind of like a little fun graphic tee. You could especially, it'd be cute layered under a cardigan or something. I'm surprised they didn't give me any cardigans. And we have 2 pairs of jeans. This is by Flying Monkeys. You know, Wizard of Oz. I really like the distressing on these. Those are nice. I like, oh, I like the bottom. The bottom's really distressed. I can see myself putting my foot through those. You know, just catching your foot. And they're in a size 32, which is like a 14. Oh, and we have Bagoss. I love Bagoss. I haven't had a new pair of Bagoss jeans in a while. And I think they're a size 32 as well. And they're like a light wash. Let's see. I'm sure it's a skinny. It says Ace Skinny, so I imagine it's the Ace High Rise Skinny, and they have the scissor hem. Oh, and they have a split. They have a split right there too that's sewn. So that's cool. They smell like jeans. Okay, all right, let's try everything on. All right, first pair of jeans is the Bagoss ones. They feel really nice. I love Bagoss. I think they're my favorite like subscription box jean. I really like them. This shirt I kept from the last Wantable I did. Pretty sure. It's really comfy cozy too. But let's pan down. Yeah, so they're really comfy. They don't have any distressing except for like the scissor hem at the bottom. But they fit really nice. I feel like they feel nice. I like this kind of lighter wash. I don't think I have a lot of like the lighter wash like this. So that could be nice. Hello. Let's go all the way down. Yeah, I think those are cute. Now the side split is kind of hitting me like more in the front, if that makes sense, like by my ankle. So a little long. Maybe I just need to twist it better. I mean, it feels a little better. Yeah, I think these are nice. They could be a contender. I think they're cute. Sorry again for the lawn mowing, but it's probably the last time he's gonna have to mow for the season. It's actually really nice out this weekend. It's like, I think it's supposed to be a high of 73 today. So it's very exciting. All right, next stuff. I mean, I don't like navy, you know. I'm warming up to it. This shirt's so cute. I know it's just like a basic shirt, but it is really soft. It's funny. I could wear it with a cardigan all year round. You could wear this shirt. You could. You can't tell me you couldn't. Looks cute with the jeans. Here it is untucked. So it's a nice length for like just front tucking, or if you wanted to have it out, wear it with leggings or something. I think it's super cute. Here it is if it would be like all the way tucked. It's cute. I like the little front tuck though. I think that's nice, the little t-shirt. I think it's super cute. I feel cute in it. Okay, let's put on the super, super soft like hoodie thing over it. It's so soft. Like, it's so soft. I literally feel like I'm wearing a blanket. Can you see this like texture? It's like, I feel like I'm wearing a blanket. So I have it on just over the t-shirt. If you didn't have one on, I think it'd be fine too to just wear it as a top. Mowing. It's really cute. I don't know if I get tons of wear out of it besides maybe just being at home Here's the hood. It's really cute. It's cute. It is really cute. I like the balloon sleeves. Gives a little something extra besides just being like a kind of hoodie you'd put on. It is cute. It's probably like $70, let's be honest. Okay, let's put on the last two tops and the other pair of jeans. Look at those wings. I like it. It's very soft. I wish it were in another color. I feel like I have a couple black tops that are like the V-necks like this, and I wish this were in like an orange or a red. No, maybe not red, but like something else, or like a pattern or something. But it's really, really soft. I do like the sleeves. I like how it is slimmer through here with that ribbing. This you could make like as open as you want to be, I guess. You could wear a like tank top under it. So I think it's kind of versatile that way. I like how it cinches in right here. So it is really nice. I think it's kind of nice and classy. Like if you were going somewhere, I think it's nice. The jeans are super, super comfortable. Hey now. The jeans are really comfortable. I like them. I do feel they're really comfortable. I feel like I have a couple pairs in this wash already with distressing, but that being said, I do like where all the distressing is in these, and I like the distressing at the bottom. I think they're very cute, trendy, whatever. I don't know. I like the Vegas though too, because I don't think I have a lot of like light colored jeans, but I like all the distressing on these. And they're really comfy. Like, I think they might be even comfier than the Vegas, because the Vegas ones were more rigid, like a rigid denim, and these are more softer, I suppose. So these are really cute too. I don't know which ones I like better. I'm gonna have to take a look at the jeans I have and see if I like them enough, because I do have this color with distressing already. Okay, last shirt. Here's the last shirt. It's just your basic kind of shirt. I feel like you could get this anywhere. It is nice with like the little ruching detail on the sleeve. Gives it a little something extra. It's a really pretty color too. Kind of like that cranberry. You could wear it all throughout the holiday season, I suppose. You could be a cranberry for Thanksgiving. You know, just like offer up the cranberry sauce. You could be the one that holds it and offers it to people, and they'd be like, you match, and you'd be like, yeah, I know, I planned it. Anyway, here it is tucked in. I think it looks cute. Here it is tucked out. Also cute. This one's a little bit longer, so this one would be good with leggings too. But yeah, it's just kind of your basic shirt. So far, I really like the drinks well with others, or maybe I'll just get one of these pairs of jeans. Let's go over prices and find out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. What did I say? Crew neck boucle hoodie in black/white combo, size large, $69 for that soft blanket hoodie. Update though, when I did take it off, there was little fuzzies all over the navy drinks well with others shirt. So, yeah. The elbow puff rouge tee in Heather Deep Claret, size large by Democracy, is $44. The soft blanket hoodie was by Addison Parker. The high-rise distressed crop skinny in medium dark blue, size 32, is $78 for the distressed jeans. I might check Poshmark. I might check Poshmark for some of the Flying Monkey jeans brand there. The Ace high-rise skinny with side slit and light wash, size 32, $68, so only $10 less. But I like the Goss. These ones are really comfy. I'm still wearing the Flying Monkey ones. They're really comfy. You know, sometimes you gotta do the sit-down test in them as I adjust. They're pretty comfy. They're stretchier than the other ones too. The mini flat huggy earrings in gold, $24. The Drinkswell graphic tee in navy size large by 78 and Sunny, $46. I'm not spending that on a shirt. And the Brushed Tassie Surplice layering top, so layering, in black size large, $59, and that's W by Wantable. I'm not gonna spend, these were all kind of pricey, Andrea, stylist. So I think I'm gonna get one of the pairs of jeans because I do have some credit from you guys signing up, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The merchandise total is $388. If I keep everything, you get 20% off, or you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. So keep 5 plus discount, $77.60, making the order subtotal $310.40, minus my styling fee, and then I have $32 in credit, so thank you. With sales tax, the whole box would be $275.82. The whole box, everything was pretty nice in it, actually. It just, that's a lot of money. And that's the thing about Wantable. I usually like the things they send, but they're just so much money. So yeah, I think it's gonna be between one of the pairs of jeans. I think it's probably gonna be the Big Oss because I did open my jeans drawer and I do have quite a couple of this particular wash. So I think it's gonna be the Big Oss ones. I'm gonna check out Poshmark. If you guys wanna check out Poshmark too, if you ever, want to, you can use, I think if you use my, I don't know if it's like a referral, but Eyebrow06, it's like a referral, I think, is my Poshmark. Eyebrow06, same as my Instagram. And maybe, you could check out Poshmark. That's what I do with a lot of the brands that I get from these boxes that I like, but I don't want to pay that amount. It's people reselling their stuff. Poshmark does take a cut of what you're selling, but I've sold a few things on there too. Yeah, so that's the Cozytober edit. This one was really cozy, I gotta say. Super cozy, but it does leave little fuzzies. So anyway, all right, you guys, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast at 11:39 in the morning on a Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great day and enjoying fall still. Oh, I really like I'm in my bathroom. I really like being in the bathroom and looking at the leaves outside the window. They're really pretty. Hopefully my husband will get done mowing soon and we can have like a little brunch here at home. Anyway, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.